Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your Ford Fusion window using an easy method. We'll start by diagnosing the problem to understand if it's the motor, the regulator, or something else entirely. Often, a faulty window can be a simple repair, saving you time and money. We'll walk through the common signs of a broken window mechanism so you can pinpoint the exact issue with confidence. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this repair. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to safely detach the door panel. Having a new window regulator and motor assembly on hand will ensure a smooth replacement. These common tools will make the job much easier and help protect your vehicle's interior during the process. Now, let's get to the heart of the repair. First, carefully remove the interior door panel, usually held by a few screws and clips. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the old motor. Then, unbolt and remove the faulty window regulator and motor assembly. Finally, install your new regulator and motor, ensuring all bolts are tightened securely. This process typically takes about 1 to 2 hours. With the new parts installed, it's time to test everything. Reconnect the electrical connector and operate the window switch to ensure the window moves smoothly up and down. Once you confirm proper function, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all screws and clips are secure. This final check ensures your Ford Fusion window is working perfectly, giving you peace of mind on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.